Welcome to The Right Hack. I'm Delene Rayburn. There's a mistake loads of us make, especially when we're texting, called comma splicing. Comma what now? You rightly ask. Comma splicing is when we string sentences together with commas. We write things like, I'm so glad it's Friday. I really need to chill out for a bit. We'll probably get a takeaway tonight. The last thing I feel like doing is cooking. Those are 4 complete sentences that I've just mashed into one sentence. A complete sentence ends with a full stop, period. If you really want all 4 sentences to be absorbed or understood as one idea or train of thought, you can join those sentences, but only using a conjunction or a semicolon. So you could say, I'm so glad it's Friday because I really need to chill out for a bit. And so we'll probably get a takeaway tonight as the last thing I feel like doing is cooking. Conjunctions, joining words like, and, but, or, because, and so on. Or you could say, I'm so glad it's Friday, semicolon. I really need to chill out for a bit, full stop. We'll probably get a takeaway tonight, semicolon. The last thing I feel like doing is cooking. Maybe take a look at a paragraph you've written recently and check for this error. So easy for it to slip in. Have you used a comma to string together complete standalone sentences that are entitled to full stops of their own? Feel free to subscribe and share this video with a comma splicer you know and love. Next time, more on making your writing brilliant.